Hello, ChatGPT. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning, Mohammed Naveer. I'm doing great. Thank you. I hope you're doing well too. How's your day starting off?
My day is good. What about you? What is your religion? You didn't tell me any one day. What's your religion about your religion? So tell me about your religion.
I don't have a personal religion or belief since I'm just an AI. My purpose is to help and provide information as best as I can, but I'm always happy to chat about different religions, cultures, or anything else you're curious about.
Thank you so much. So today my curiosity is in a different type. Are you ready to discuss me one thing?
Absolutely. I'm ready. Feel free to share whatever's on your mind and we'll dive into it together. What's got you curious today?
Okay, so tell me about that. How to build a strong personal brand online.
Sure, building a strong personal brand online involves a few key steps. First, it's important to define who you are, what you stand for, and what unique value you offer. Then, consistently share quality content that aligns with your brand across social media platforms, engaging with your audience, being authentic, and networking with others in your field also go a long way. If you'd like more details on any of those steps, just let me know.
So I want to remind you of one thing is that I'm not a native English speaker. So my mother tongue, you know what's my mother tongue, okay? So by the way, speak English clearly with me and don't speed, okay? Don't speed English.
Of course, I'll keep that in mind and speak clearly and slowly for you. And if you ever need me to repeat anything or explain further, just let me know. I'm here to help.
Okay, go deeper and tell me about that how I can build a strong personal brand. Strong means strong, not weak.
Absolutely. Building a strong personal brand is all about consistency, authenticity, and value. It helps to clearly define your unique strengths and what you want to be known for. Then you want to share your expertise through meaningful content, engage genuinely with your audience, and maintain a consistent online presence. Over time, this builds trust and credibility. If you want, we can dive deeper into any specific aspect of that process.
Oh yeah, go deeper, dive deeper. Okay.
All right. So, one key part is defining your niche. This means focusing on a specific area where you have expertise or passion. It helps you stand out and attract the right audience. Another important element is storytelling, sharing your personal journey, experiences, and insights in a relatable way. Also, consistency is crucial. Hosting regularly and engaging with your audience helps build trust. And don't forget about networking, connecting with other influencers and collaborators can really amplify your brand. Let me know if there's a particular area you'd like to explore more deeply.
No, I didn't listen to you clearly. Please repeat your last sentence.
Of course, what I was saying is that building a strong personal brand involves a few key elements: defining your niche, sharing your personal story, staying consistent with your content, and engaging with your audience. Networking with others in your field also helps amplify your brand. If you'd like me to go into more detail about any of these points, just let me know.
Yeah. Go deeper in these points and
Absolutely.
share the detail with me in these points.
All right, let's break it down a bit more. For defining your niche, think about what you're truly passionate about and where your strengths lie. This helps you stand out and attract the right audience. When it comes to storytelling, sharing personal anecdotes or experiences makes your brand more relatable and authentic. Consistency means posting regularly, whether it's through blog posts, social media, or videos, so your audience knows what to expect. And networking involves connecting with others in your industry, collaborating, and building relationships that can help grow your brand. If you'd like to dive into any of these topics even further, just let me know.
Yeah, go deeper.
Great. I'm glad that helps. If you have any specific questions or need more detailed guidance on any part of building your personal brand, just let me know. I'm here to help every step of the way.
Yeah. What is the personal blog? Tell me.
The first step is really to define your identity and your niche. That means figuring out what you're passionate about,
No,
what you want to be known for,
okay.
and what unique value you can provide.
ChatGPT.
Once you have that clarity,
Hello,
it becomes
hello,
much
ChatGPT.
easier to create content
Hello,
and
ChatGPT.
connect with the right audience. If you want to explore how to
Hello.
identify your niche,
Stop
we
talking.
can definitely dive into that.
Stop talking. Stop talking. What I say, I didn't this question. I asked you about that. What is the personal blog? And you tell me about etc. Everything.
Got it. I understand now. When it comes to building a personal brand, the very first step is really understanding and defining your own identity and what you want to convey. It's about pinpointing your unique strengths, values, and the message you want to share with the world. Once you have that foundation, everything else will build on top of it. Let me know if that clarifies things or if you have any other questions.
Yeah, tell me that what is the end demand thing in the market, in the online digital market, which I can sell in online my brand.
In 2025, several digital products are in high demand. For example, ebooks and audiobooks remain popular due to their convenience, and online courses and workshops are growing steadily as people seek continuous education. Design templates like website themes and social media graphics are also in demand. Additionally, stock photography, mobile apps, and digital art are all lucrative areas. Choosing what fits your skills and interests will help you succeed in the digital market.
Okay, okay. So which thing should I choose in for the make my brand?
That really depends on your interests and your strengths. For instance, if you enjoy teaching and sharing knowledge, creating online courses or ebooks could be a great fit. If you're more into design and creativity, then templates, digital art, or stock photography might be ideal. The key is to align what you love with what the market needs. If you let me know a bit more about your interests or skills, I can help narrow it down further.
No, no, listen to me. It doesn't matter what is the interest of me. It really matters what is the demand in the market. For example, joggers, the jogger shoes and jackets because of there is the winter season. So jackets and warm clothes are the demanded things in the market. So tell me about today nowadays what happening in the market, what's going on in the market. So what which thing should I make? Which thing should I choose to make my brand?
In 2025, some of the top in demand digital products include ebooks and audiobooks, online courses and workshops, design templates and assets, high quality stock photography and digital art, and mobile apps or SaaS products. Choosing a product that aligns with these trends and your expertise will definitely give you a competitive edge in the digital market.
Okay, so where I can go for the make my brand digital?
You can start by leveraging platforms like your own website, which gives you full control over your brand. Additionally, marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify are great for selling digital products. Social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are also powerful for building an audience and driving traffic to your products. Combining these channels will help you create a strong digital presence. If you need guidance on any specific platform, just
Yeah,
let me
yeah,
know.
yeah. Tell me that how I will advertise my brand and how I will advertise my which services I am giving. So how I will advertise that?
Advertising your brand effectively involves a mix of strategies. First, you can use social media marketing by sharing engaging content like posts, stories, and videos to build your audience and create buzz. You can also use influencer marketing by partnering with influencers who align with your brand to reach a wider audience. Another powerful method is content marketing, like blogging, or creating valuable resources that attract organic traffic. You can also invest in paid advertising like Google Ads or social media ads to target specific audiences. Combining these approaches will help you effectively advertise and grow your brand. If you want more details on any specific method, just let me know.
No, that's enough. Thank you so much. You guide me well, everything. Thank you so much. And bye for now. Take care of yourself. Bye.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have more questions in the future, just reach out. Take care and goodbye for now.
Bye.